I'm proud to born as a Kodavati and born in Kodagu.
I studied for 6 months psychology.
Okay. Guys, the rally started.
മേഘമല വൈൽഡ് ലൈഫ് സാഞ്ചുറി നാഷണൽ പാർക്ക് ഇന്ന് വന്നു, പറമ്പിക്കുളം വന്നു, ആനമല ടൈഗർ റിസർവ് വന്നു.
So this is such an honor to pass through this Nagarhole new gate. Nice. So this is the one which was newly inaugurated today.
Hey guys, welcome back to Life Designer.
Guys, after a long time, we're uploading another video to Life Designer. Welcome back to Life Designer once again, guys. So guys, we were super busy because we have another good news for you. Happy news surprise. That
We
is
are going to start up
new company, Life Designer company, guys. So we were on this. We were really busy on setting up all these
all
things.
the back end, front end, all the works are going
All
on.
the works.
Everything very busy, guys.
A lot of meetings were happening. We had to meet a lot of people.
And for the meeting, we went to Coorg.
We went to Coorg, and that is why we are here, because we wanted to show you guys this one moment,
special.
because it was totally unexpected. We were going through the Nagarhole Tiger Reserves, and we were
honored to be a part of
Exactly,
the
like
program.
it's a collaboration of lot of people from lot of states. They are collaborating for
all the
conserving
forest
nature.
department were there, and they were doing this rally, all India rally through all the
Tiger
reserves.
reserves of India.
It was the
As an
inauguration
awareness.
of the gate of that.
Yeah, it was
Nagarhole.
inauguration, yeah.
Actually, we were waiting what is this and all of that, but we got a chance to enter first.
First.
First passengers. And we met a lot of people like KJ
Bopaya, who's MLA
Viraj Pet.
and also ex-speaker.
Actually, we met a lot of people and they are all so welcoming, so nice to new gen. We are like very surprised to, really happy to meet them.
And everybody is like very much interested in doing something, to keep the nature alive. And also a lot of such activities are going on the way. We'll
It's
show
very
you
good
guys.
reminder. A lot of things are there. It's not only the opening, lot more things are there. So I think
We should get into it then.
Yeah.
Come on.
It is the theme is India for Tigers Rally on Wheels. This will be culminating in Bandipur Tiger Reserve on 5th of October. So now from 9 Tiger Reserves staff and entire team has come, and this is on behalf of Azadi Ka Amrut Mahotsav 75th year of independence, where it will be covered in all 51 tiger reserves of the country and passing through 18 states, covering 7,500 kilometers.
Great.
Once to pass.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. That's an honor.
Thank you so much. Guys, also she is Sharon Subaya.
Panchayat
Oh, nice. Okay. So she was wearing this traditional Kodagu sari, and we were saying like it's really beautiful, and you're actually here from your entire family.
native of this place.
Okay, nice.
Oh my
So you can talk about the Kodagu tradition.
Kodagu. I'm proud to born as a Kodavati and born in Kodagu, and also working with my great MLA. He's a ex-speaker. We are working for Modi Ji's party. We have good environment.
Exactly. On the way we were saying, there's a lot of activities going on.
Like Swachh Bharat and all. A lot of people, a lot of
Swachh
campaigns
Bharat
are going on.
activities.
Yeah, we are doing all that for Modi Ji's birthday. We have taken 20 days program. We are doing every day now. Thank you so much. Actually, thank to all forest.
Yes.
Guys,
Everybody's here.
Both from Tamil Nadu Forest Department,
Department.
and Karnataka.
and Karnataka Forest Department. Great.
This is a huge inauguration.
Exactly. All over the place, we can see that concern for nature, guys. Either it's in the hygiene thing or in protecting the nature, they are always there. And even the
known for that.
yeah,
Okay. Guys, he's inaugurating the rally.
ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದಂತೆ ಈ ಟೈಗರ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್
Anything is fine.
I will explain to all the local peoples in our Kannada language.
Yeah.
The rally it is only 67 wildlife protection saptah. ಅದರ ಅಂಗವಾಗಿ ಏನು ರ್ಯಾಲಿ ಹೊರಟಿದೆ ನಿನ್ನೆ ದಿವಸ ಬಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ನಾಗರಹೊಳೆ ಅಭಯಾರಣ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಂಗಿದೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ಅದು ತಮಿಳುನಾಡಿನ ಮುದುಮಲೈ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅವ್ರದ್ದೇ ಆದಂಥ ಆಂಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಯ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್
ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ಮಹೇಶ್ ಅವರು ಅದನ್ನು ನಿನ್ನೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವರು ಇದನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ ಮುದ್ದುಮಲೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಯ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳು ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಇನಾಗ್ರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಫರ್ದರ್ ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ರ್ಯಾಲಿ. ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ವಿತ್ ದಿ ರ್ಯಾಲಿ.
Great work, team.
Save the tiger.
Radhai.
Radhai. We call it as Radha, but in Tamil it is Radhai. That's all the difference. Okay, all the best to you, madam, also.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. So the rally is starting.
Yeah.
I'm also excited
to see that.
first time.
Here, like it's gonna happen in all tiger reserves all over the country.
Wow, guys, we are so honored to be the first people passing.
You can have a cup of tea.
Oh, sure.
What you are, all are students.
Yeah, we are studying in NIT Bangalore.
I studied for 6 months psychology.
Oh, okay, great.
I was studying law.
Oh, nice.
So that's more dangerous, sir. Law plus psychology, that's more dangerous.
Are you dangerous? Psychology. They will, by looking the face, they will. Master.
So Ilitra master.
Vaccination. Bari support ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. Bari support ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು.
ಏನು ಹೆಸರು?
ಪಾಪ ಊಟ ಗಿಟ ಮಾಡೋದು
ನಮ್ಮ ದೇವ್ರ ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ ಸರ್.
If I put excess of y'all in a classroom, what do I do? I have
Guys,
to take half
he's
of y'all and
saying,
put in another class.
Yeah.
So unfortunately,
He's saying we're not able to relocate the tigers,
we
so
got
we'll have to
tigers in the
reserve
estate.
them.
So we've got tigers in the estate. We've lost 2 or 3 laborers. In fact, calves and cows have been picked up by tigers. Cattle's been picked up. What's happening is the tigers moving into and now to the estate. And historically, people say we've encroached.
Okay.
We've not encroached. We live in this place. This is our home. We've done it. Excess population. What do you do with that? Now they start fighting. So a lot of tigers, tigresses. Have been
So
killing
how many
each other.
tiger census, like how many tigers are here? According to census? No.
We've got the highest. In fact, pan India, we've got the highest.
Okay.
Highest number of tigers. And in fact, Nagarhole is the highest among this thing. The data don't have all.
Okay.
Wildcats. Except the black panther. Black panther towards Kabaddi you will get.
Okay.
There's 1 or 2 sighted here. But panthers we got lots.
Oh, guys, this rally started in 26th of September. So this is the last few days. And they're going to stop in Bandipur.
Yeah.
Correct. So yeah, how is here?
റാലി അതിഗംഭീര റാലിയാണ്. ദിസ് ഇസ് എ ഹിസ്റ്ററി മൊമെന്റ്. പെരിയാർ ടൈഗർ റിസർവ് ഇതിൽ പങ്കാളിയാകുകയാണ്. നമ്മൾ കളക്കാട് മുണ്ടന്തൂർ തമിഴ്നാട് കളക്കാട് മുണ്ടന്തൂരിൽ നിന്ന് സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്ത മേഘമല വൈൽഡ് ലൈഫ് സാഞ്ചുറി നാഷണൽ പാർക്ക് ഇന്ന് വന്നു, പറമ്പിക്കുളം വന്നു, ആനമല ടൈഗർ റിസർവ് വന്നു, സത്യമംഗലത്തൂടെ കയറി മുതുമല വരുന്നു, BRT വന്ന് നാഗർഹോള വഴി 5th നമ്മൾ ഒരു കൾമിനേഷൻ നടത്തുകയാണ് ബന്ദിപ്പൂർ ടൈഗർ റിസർവിൽ നിന്ന്. ഇതിന്റെ പ്രധാന ഉദ്ദേശം എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ആസാദി കാ അമൃത് മഹോത്സവ് എന്ന് പറയുന്ന നമ്മുടെ ഭാരതത്തിന്റെ 75ാം സ്വാതന്ത്ര്യ ദിനത്തോടനുബന്ധിച്ച് ഗവൺമെന്റ് ഓഫ് ഇന്ത്യ നമ്മുടെ NTCA നാഷണൽ ടൈഗർ കൺസർവേഷൻ അതോറിറ്റി അവരാണ് ഇത് ഓർഗനൈസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ഇതിന്റെ കോർ സബ്ജക്റ്റ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ടൈഗറിനെ കുറിച്ചുള്ള അവയർനെസ് ക്രിയേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുക എന്നുള്ളതാണ്. സോ അതിന്റെ ഭാഗമാകാൻ സാധിച്ചതിൽ ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് വളരെയധികം നന്ദിയുണ്ട്. കാര്യം ഇത് പബ്ലിസിറ്റി ടൈഗറിനെ കുറിച്ചുള്ള ഈ ഒരു ഇത് ഒരു ആനിമൽ എന്നതിനപ്പുറം ഇതൊരു എക്കോളജിക്കൽ ബാലൻസ് നിലനിർത്തുന്ന ഒരു ജീവിയാണ് എന്നുള്ള ടോപ്പായിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു കീസ്റ്റോൺ പ്രിഡേറ്റർ ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ അതിനെക്കുറിച്ചുള്ള അവയർനെസ് പ്രത്യേകിച്ചും ഈ യങ്ങർ ജനറേഷൻ കുട്ടികളിലേക്ക് ഈ ഒരു അവയർനെസ് ഡിസമിനേറ്റ് ചെയ്യണം. അതിന് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് കഴിയട്ടെ എന്ന് ആശംസിക്കുന്നു. 2 വാക്ക് സംസാരിക്കുന്നു.
Guys, in the rally we can see like 4 states, no?
Yeah. Tamil Nadu,
Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, and one more, Karnataka.
There are actually more people joining in because it's an all India rally that they're going to be doing. But for now,
like all the forest vehicles will show you. It is so nice. All jeep Karnataka, Nagarhole, guys. And this is Tamil Nadu, Annamalai Tiger Reserves, KL Parambikulam. And again Kerala registration. This is all forest department vehicles. Guys, the rally is starting. Oh wow, it's all tiger reserves are joined together and doing this rally.
Starting with the Nagarhole Tiger Reserve.
Actually, all over India, all the people are collaborated and they are doing this campaign here.
All the
Wow.
different tiger reserves
Exactly.
are part of this.
And hopefully, according to the information, this is the largest tiger reserve.
Started? Guys, the rally started. Wow, this is such a proud moment for all the young generations because these type of forests are reserved for us, I would say.
Oh my God.
Like for our generation to see, and so it's really great thing that the government is doing such a step for
look
us
at
to
all the
enjoy
vehicles.
the nature and reserve them. Wow.
Every tiger reserve, guys.
This is Satyamangalam Tiger Reserves, guys.
A rally on wheels.
Guys, the whole India collaboration for the conservation of tigers.
Oh guys, those are the main forest department jeeps. They're really cool jeeps. This is really nice with the camouflage prints and yeah, tiger prints. It was really nice. So I think as the rally passes, we'll be able to pass through the gate. So we'll be we are really honored to pass through it right now.
We'll be the first people to pass after the rally.
We are the first.
The inauguration of the new gate, we'll be the first ones to pass.
Yay! Guys, there's a lot of construction going on for the, innovating the tiger reserves. Is I love NTR, I love Nagarhole, right? Nagarhole, alle?
What is NTR?
Nagarhole? Allah. Nagarhole Tiger Reserves, that is NTR.
Oh. I love Nagarhole Tiger Reserve.
So these are the details. The speed limit is there. So entry is from 6 to 6. So this is all the thing. Next check post exit time is 1 hour. So before 1 hour we'll have to go to the next check post. If it is any delay, we'll be So guys, this is the inaugurated gate. Oh my god, this is so nice. So guys, we are going to pass through it. So there's a government vehicle in front of us. So this is such an honor to pass through this Nagarhole new gate as the first entry. Great guys. Whoa. Guys, there's a lot of spotted deers here. Wow. Guys, we just started to go through the National Reserves Forest and this is just the entry, guys. There's a lot of vehicles coming through the gate. It just opened and there is a big queue and there is travelers, vehicles, Innovas and everything coming through. Wow, guys, there is also homes. So there are people living here. So I think these are the, the forest people. They've already here. I think they live with the, the income from the forest, like woods and like that. Really nice tall trees on both the sides, and this road is so narrow that it's going down. It's so steep and it's really thick. Guys, here in this forest there is tigers, there is bison like, and here we'll see a lot of deers and there is a tiger. So the ratio between the prey and the predator species are in a very healthy form. So this is how this whole biosphere is. Oh guys, there is a lot of deers. This all named as? What's the name? Spotted deers. Okay. Wow guys, Pulliman. Spotted deers. We will see a lot in this area like this. In the tiger reserves, the deers are also one of that. Like, oh wow guys, there is a lot more. Oh, this one is with the horns. Oh, the one with the horns, guys. It's really nice. They are so beautiful and strong. This is inaugurated today, this safari vehicle. So we can see this is the Nagarhole Tiger Reserve safari vehicle. Wow, Nagarhole. Hole. Oh god. Wow, this is really nice, bro. I think it's a very nice brand new vehicle. Really nice. The seatings and everything is really cool. It's really new. This is the one which was newly inaugurated today. Yeah. There is saying about the animals in this the forest. We have elephants, we have leopards, we have deers, we have cheetah, we have more types of deers like sambar deers and spotted deers, and there is a lot of like snakes around here. Like you can see, that's the reason why this place got the Nagar hole name, because Naga is snake and hole is stream. So that's how the name came. Shit, it's just peacefully having, there is 2 of them. Oh, there is 3 guys. 1, 2, 3. Wow, it's amazing. Okay, they're peacefully having, I don't know, there might be guava or yeah, it's really nice, guys. Peacefully having. Guys, look at this beautiful forest, which is the rich forest cover, and it's having some small streams inside, and there is hills and valleys and waterfalls inside this forest. We can't see it like this. We'll have to take the safari and go inside this park, and it's absolutely beautiful. When saying about biosphere, this is not only animals living here, there is tribes also living here. The government recently founded few tribes, which is Denu, Kuruba and Koraga. This government identified these tribes. Guys, there's a lot of kids bathing here. Hello! That was nice, guys. They're diving in the streams and having really nice fun. Really nice. Oh, guys, there is this long-tailed macaque. Oh shit, guys, I'm really proud that these forests are being reserved like this by the government. That's a really great thing. Oh wow, this is really big horned deers, guys. It's really big ones. Branches, right? It's so big. Oh wow, guys, there is more deers. Wow, this is really nice. They're living close to the houses here. The deers, they're living close to the houses. So nice. These tribes are living by collecting their livelihood is like that, collecting honey, roots and everything from the forest, and yeah, that's all things. And the main challenges that this biosphere faces is the smuggling here. The rosewood, sandalwood and all kind of smuggling that is happening here. It is humongous. There is a large scale of such things are happening, and government and a lot of NGOs are working to stop such smuggling inside this forest. More deers, guys. Wow. It's jumping like a rabbit. Oh.